Welcome to Double Volume Bullish Channel. So today I want to talk about the Intel Corporation, one of the Nasdaq, very famous company. So I think everyone using computer and then you have Intel product inside there. So that is Intel. So it's very powerful company and well known worldwide in the world of the IT. So on the March 2024, U.S. Department of the Commerce and Intel Corporation announced a preliminary memorandum of under which Intel received approximately 8.5 billion in direct fund under the Chip and Science Act. So that is definitely announced by the President Biden. So and of course benefit Intel. So I'm not sure how much they will give it to this Taiwan company, or they give any other company, we don't know. So this is thing that you need to really talk about. So we see the March 2024. So from here, March 2024. So we just mark down. So March 24 here. So when the news is come out, so the government give a fund to Intel, but the Intel stock is going down. So this is what happened. So everyone talking about the good news and then bring up the the stock maybe on a good uptrend. So the trending is should be going up. So of course the announcement is come out and then give it very bad for the market. It's only bull for five days, and then after that all the way going down. So going down from 24, we can see that 24 here, and then going down until last trading day is about 31%. So that's Intel, you see. So of course those people who believe in news, so if you put in the money here, definitely you lost about 30%. So that is we're talking about how actually you want to trade, not just blindly taking the news you're receiving news and you go buy the stock. So the most important thing is you need to really put the time to analyze. You want to shoot the market, yes, of course, you can shoot the market on the Intel and it's a downtrend. But if you want to buy in the uptrend, so of course, in the stock market, in the US, you can buy either you want to shoot down there or you want to just buy on the uptrend. So that is a choice for you. So I'm talking about how we want to penetrate candlestick, using the candlestick to understand how actually we want to buy in. It just use candlestick, you see. So if we're talking about two candlestick performance, so what we just look into the market. So if we know the what we call this the news it come out 24th. So of course the next day is open same and then shoot up and going down again. So this is some not very good sign to the Intel, you see. So the next day open low and then shoot up. So this is the two candle is reversing, you see. So that is a problem. So after that gap down. So gap down actually open low and then shoot up. So this is quite healthy. We're talking about quite healthy because open quite actually quite low and then it shoot it up and then cross higher. So of course they open at the 40 and then cross at the 41.8. So that's about $1. About $1. So there is about $1 up on that day. So after that from the candlestick, yeah. So but the price is going down. So but from the bottom here, shoot up is about $1. So that show you the buyer actually believing this stock can be going up. So that's why from the price is gap down and they slowly push up. The momentum is there. So after that, open at the doji here. So the price bring out a little bit. So both party doesn't know who actually what to do and nobody win. in this market. So we're talking about nobody win this market, you see. So the buyer and the seller actually nobody win. So they actually they are maybe negotiating what to do the next, you see. After that open high. So gap up. So open high. So after that this three candle is news of the announcement. So it's quite 1 week. So many people come in again or want to put the money in, and because only then you heard the news and then the stock is moving uptrend. So a lot of individual trader know about Intel is shooting up. So of course people come in and put the money into this stock. So you can see that from here. So we're talking about from bottom here. So actually shoot up about 10%. So of course I show the 10% you will be away from the news. You will see on the listing and all these things. So you know that the market is there. The moment all this bunch of the individual come in and put the money in, so quickly those people who having the stock here and sell it out, sell it at a lower price, and then bring down the price further. So how to avoid trading from buying and the price continuing down? So you're very easy. For example, this is very bearish. You know you buy. So this is a bullish, but not cross over the previous day. You see, this is a previous day high, open or the highest. You can choose one. For example, this is open, not over, we don't buy. For example, here also not over, we don't buy. Not over, we don't buy. Not over, we just skip all this bearish candle. So after that, this is the candle that we can look into it. Okay, so we look into it the next day. So because this is a cross higher than the open. So you can look into it by the gap down. So sorry, we don't trade. So this one don't trade. This one okay, gap up. So this is the fourth one. So this is actually a bullish candle, you see. So this is a bullish candle. So you gap up again. So of course you can consider here to buy. But this is the fourth one. So the price actually open high and the cross lower comparing to the price. So after that, you buy here. So because this is drop until the doji here, you probably need to cut it down on this day. So after that, the price going up again. So going up again, for example, here we cross this price cross higher than this, and then we actually can look into it in this candle. So we buy in here. So we chip in here. So we make about 4%. So this small little trend we make about 4%. Okay. After that, we know that this is not open. This is cross open higher than this, and then of course the next day gap down. We don't do. This shoot up. Okay, this shoot up, and then the following days. The following day here is not open here, so it's going down. So we don't buy. So this is we consider. After this one also we don't buy because it's crossed below the crossing or the higher price. So we can just skip. So you can use this method to avoid buying on the downtrend and continuous downtrend. So to me, Intel it's a good time now. You can look into it because from the previous high we're talking about Intel is about close to 50 baht. So from the 50 baht down until now is about 40%. So in last day, those stock who reversal or retrace 40% is quite big. So if you're talking about the what we call it the Intel, so the lowest Intel is about 24, so now it's 30, so you can look into it. So that's my personal advice. No co-buy and co-sell, but this is what we call that. In the technical analysis, we're talking about the low, how low is low, and what is the price when to pay in. For example, Mr. Warren Buffett always say, buy at the cheap price, not the cheap stock. So we call it about cheap price. Intel is not a cheap company, but it's a very valuable company. But we buy at a cheap price. So this is something that we can share with you. Of course, you want to know how to trade. I have, of course, classes we can guide you learning how to trade in any market. So I can look at any market because we just focus on the price and volume. So today, no volume here. We don't show volume. So of course, the position that we want to trade in, of course, we look into the volume to analyze the volume and plus a little bit of the pattern, the what we call it, the candlestick pattern and some of the technical analysis. Of course, the annual, but not least. So we have the what we call it, the free indicator for you to use, and this is very accurate. So you can see that, yeah, very accurate. So that is the thing that you need to think about, how actually make your trading more successful. You can see when it comes to the bull market, this is the indicator show you how we want to trade in. This is the bear market. So of course this is the bull market. So this is the bull market, and bull market they will turn the color for you to use, and then this dot is the average price. So we're talking about the average price about 26 baht. So at the price now is about 30, the lowest is 30 baht. So there's a thing that you have to be learning about it. So if you're interested, if you want to know how to make money in the stock market, please contact me. Thank you very much.